Good morning, everybody. We're at the McKenzie Center for Innovation and Technology, and we're doing kind of a two-day series on this because this is so awesome. And some of you may not even know this exists. I'm here with Dale Sharp, who's the assistant director. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. We have been to the restaurant. We've been to cosmetology.
Yes.
We've been to computer technology.
Yes.
And where are we now? Although I think we'll know in about 2 seconds.
We're here at the Ed Martin Training Center,
Yeah.
which is one of our programs, collision repair, and we have a 5-year agreement with Ed Martin dealerships throughout the area.
All right, I'm going to talk to your instructor.
Yes.
May I do that, sir? This is Clarence McGowan. Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Good morning. I am just so overwhelmed by this. I only live 3 miles away, and I think
right?
this is so cool. So I'll ask the obvious question. Here's the easiest question you ever got. What's going on in here?
We're fixing vehicles today.
Now, whose vehicles are you fixing, sir?
We fix vehicles for the customer, for the public. We run a live body shop. Essentially, anything we do here, or anything that can be done out in the industry, we can do here. It just takes a little longer.
Okay, so I didn't ask this in the other places, but if you came here off the street, would you probably get a better deal than if you went somewhere else?
Probably so, just because we don't charge for labor. I mean, the kids use this as a learning tool, and as long as the parts are accounted for and our materials paid for, that's all we're after. And they use it as a learning tool.
And you really virtually have everything that you'd have at any other reputable car dealership repair shop.
We do. We have 2 frame racks, a paint booth, a prep deck, computerized estimating, computerized diagnostic, everything that's at a dealership we can do here.
Real quick, I'm going to talk to one of your students, though, but when they graduate from here, what can they do?
They can walk in as an entry-level technician or an apprentice.
Okay, now we're going to talk to the manager of the shop. Oh, my goodness, good morning. I'm not going to act surprised you're a woman. That'll get me in trouble, but I think it is really cool, if I may say that. What's your name?
Madison.
And how did you get to be the shop manager?
It was a class vote.
Yeah? Okay, tell us what your basic job is here.
I write estimates for cars when people come in and ask for something to get fixed.
How'd you learn to do that?
Mr. McGowan showed me how.
Right. So you'll take a car that's had a wreck, and you'll determine, just like when I go to the repair shop, what it will cost to do that.
Yeah.
What
So
would
if the bumper's broke, we can go on and see like how much it'll cost to replace the bumper or like to repaint it.
And what would you like to do someday?
Work at Ed Martin.
Work out. Good for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Once again, this is all sponsored by Ed Martin.
Yes.
We are going to continue this series tomorrow, so everybody stay with us.